Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can get started with Microsoft Word document. Alright, so right here on the computer, I want to right click. Notice when you right click, you come down to the word new, and this itself is the Microsoft Word document. I can come right here and click, and there you go. Alright, so I'm going to click it just like that. Right, I can actually right click on it, and I can come right here and click on copy. I'll come right over here and click on paste. If you notice right here, show right there. So if I right click again and click on paste, you notice it also gives me a different one right here. So what if I wanted to drag and drop this Microsoft Word document? I put the cursor on it, I can drag it like that. I put the cursor on it, hold on the left side of the mouse, I touch pad and drag like that. What if I wanted to drag everything together? Just come like this, block everything, and then come along like this. You notice everything move just the same. But I wanted to open it. I can right click right here and click on the word open, just like that. I also can actually highlight it and press enter on my keyboard, and there we go, just the same. Or I can actually double click and open it just the same. Alright, so opening the document now. There we are. Now in this document, what you will see right up here is the tab. So you have the file tab, the home tab, the insert, the design, the layout, and all of that. So what you see right here is a ribbon. Yes, all of these known as the ribbon right here. So within the ribbon you have group. Clipboard right here is one group. You notice font is one group, paragraph is another group, style another group. And within the group you have a thing called the launch button. So this is the launch button. When I click, this is what actually come up definitely. Alright, you come right here in paragraph, you click on the launch button right here, just the same. Yes, and when you check a set no, definitely. Alright, so when you click on file right here, notice this section that come up. Notice you have new, you have info, and all of that. So if you notice right over here, it's a protect document, inspect document version. If I come right to this pointer here, show that I can mark as final, I can encrypt it when to put a password on it, and so forth. Right, you notice if I click right here now, show the recent document, or I can actually scroll up just the same. If you know done this, recover and save document, that's right there. Alright, save as. You notice you can click right here and go all the way around there, show that I can actually print it. Notice right here, you click right here, you move it to the printer. I say add printer. If you notice the number of copy right here, you notice print. I print right here from one side. I can print manual from both sides. Notice this, I can save, share as PDF. You can export it as PDF right here by creating a PDF. Notice when I click on home right here, show that the paste option right here. Alright, here you can actually change the words inside of it, just the same. Yes, so let me type something inside here. But if you notice how wide it is, you come all the way down here. You notice the plus increase, right? The minus decrease. If I want to click on the minus, you notice it show the zoom in, right? Come all the way in, right? Very important right there. Right, when you look at it, you can actually click again, go back just like that. I can actually click and go back. You notice if you come right inside here, it's the layout. When I click on it, no, this is what actually come back. Now you can actually see and a better, you know. So if you find the outer range, you can come right here. Right, if you notice it, click right here. You notice this is what it show you. So if you open the document STDs, you just come right here and just click on this one. You notice it take you directly back right here. So I'm gonna type something inside there. Alright, and I'm gonna type greetings. Right, I'm gonna show exactly what happened. Notice right here, I can actually block it. When I block it, if you notice right up here, I can come right here and I can actually change it. Just the same in a different ear and all that. If I click it, notice it. If I come right here, notice I can actually increase it just the same. Right, I can actually come right at this big A and I can actually click it up. If I come a small A, I can actually bring it down just the same. Right, if I come right here, I can actually underline it. You notice I can actually underline it. If I come right here, so I can bold it, italic it. If you notice right here, I can actually give it a color right here. Right, highlight it. If I come right here, so I can change the color just the same. You notice going a bit, you notice it, change it just the same. If I come all the way here, right here, I can actually put it right up here to uppercase. I can actually put it to center just the same. Notice if I carry it right there, all the way over there. I can do several stuff again with it. Right, if you notice right here, I can actually change the level number right here. Right here, I can actually give it a color just the same. Come all the way here, I can actually put bullet to it. I can also add number and also to it. Very important. Here, so if I want to get it back down here, I can just click right here and I get it back down there just the same, just like that. You notice the cursor right here, the cursor right there. If I go and insert right here, notice I show that I can insert a table by clicking right here. You notice the amount of table come right here. Show that I can insert table right here. Just show that I can actually do the same thing with it. Right, if you notice I can actually insert a quick table just the same. Right, come all the way, all of this to show that I can actually do that. But right here to show that I can insert a photo. From right here, so take me to the desktop right here, and you notice you can scroll and click right here. You notice I can actually click on this. I can actually come right here, insert, yeah, yes, and then you can cancel, definitely. You can also add shape right here, just the same. You can go on online picture, you can actually work offline and all of that. If you notice, you can put also video, send comments and so forth. Right here you can also add a text box right here, just the same. Draw a text box just like that. And when I put something in the text box like this, notice the box still around. If I click, I can right click, or I can click itself and go right up a format right here. Notice a shape fill, click right there. I say no fill, click right here, so I say no outline. Notice it actually gone so far. If you notice, you go to design right here, page color, just the same. You can actually do. If you notice, paragraph spacing, compact, you can put it tight, open a document. You can go to watermark. You notice right here, it's a confidential. If you notice my document right, I see that confidential. Sometimes I get it. Your document is so confidential. You can actually edit and put it where you want. You can come like this and remove it. Right, if you come right here to page color, you notice different color just like this. Good. And then you want to add border now. You come right here. You notice this is actually display. You come right here, you can actually add right here. You notice I show you a box shadow over here in 3D, but I want a pretty border, which I come right here. You notice if I click, you notice this is what it look like. Come back and I can always scroll up. Yes, scroll up and look for what I want. Right, scroll up. So this is one that I want. When I click it, notice how thick it is. I want to bring it a little thinner. So I'm gonna come right here and click. So notice I click it, I get thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner, just the same. Right, I click on OK. You notice it actually right over there. So far, you go to layout. You notice I show that I can actually change the margin right here. Normal margin, wide margin, and narrow margin. Right, I sure I can change the page to landscape just the same. You can also come right here, change from letter side to legal side and to A4, just the same. You can also add column, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. You can put page break right here, this is a different area, and then you can also add page numbers right here, just the same. You can also indent right or left. I look at reference right here, sure they can also add table of contents, just the same manually. You can put a footnote, just the same, previous, right? You notice you can add biographic, just the same from this particular side. You can also put in citation, right? And look at mailing, you can also put up an envelope. Now when you click right here, it can actually show your envelope. Come up and notice right here. So you come here to and click, these are different type of envelope. You show whether if you turn down the face, you notice that click right here, turn down the face, you click and all of that. So exactly, notice right there, deliver address, and notice the return address right. You show that I can print it right away, I can add it to your document. Just the same, right? You can also add label, right? And I'm going to review, you show that you can add spelling and grammar right here. You notice spelling and grammar check is complete, so you're good. Right here, show that you can actually translate the document. Right, you can see in the language just the same. Right here, simple markup and previous. Now when you come to view, right here in read mode, if you notice grid, if you click on this, you notice it shows this grid line right here. Some of you might have it from the document and can't get it. Just simply come right here to view and just click and just get rid of it just like that. Right, to show a new window, you can actually switch window, you can actually run a macro right here. Notice just the same. And now that you wanted to save the document, you can click right here, go to save as. You notice you can also click here on the desktop, just the same. I take you right here. If you come right here and click on browse, it actually take you same place. Right, you wanted to save it on desktop, you click this arrow and click on desktop. Right, I want to give it a nice name. Alright, I'm gonna finish. I press save, just like that. If you notice right up here, see the name of it. Right, if I click right here, I can minimize it. You notice right here, click again. So if I come right here, show that I can actually restore it down like that. I click right there, show that I can maximize it. This is where I can close it. Alright, so hope you have learned something from this document. Thanks for watching. See you in this